The answer to that is that the foundation of Imamah is infallibility, not knowledge. Even though knowledge is crucial, and Allah gives His knowledge to the Imam because he's a leader. But the foundation of it is isma, infallibility. Why? I'll ask you a question, my dear brothers and sisters. And there's a beautiful Arabic line of poetry that says this. إن كان للعلم من دون التقى شرف. Listen to this beautiful line of poetry in Arabic. It says, if knowledge without piety, without iman, had honor, then the most honored creation of God would be Iblis. You think Iblis doesn't have knowledge? Oh, he knows everything. Wallahi, every prophet and he received revelation, Iblis witnessed it. Every verse that was revealed in the Quran and the context of it and the speeches of the Prophet, Iblis knows it. Everything any Imam has said in history, Iblis knows it. You think he doesn't have knowledge? Oh, he has all the knowledge out there. But what does he lack? Piety, no taqwa. And he's the enemy of God. And that tells us, my dear brothers and sisters, knowledge itself is not enough. The basis of Imamah is infallibility. Someone whom you can trust does not sin, does not make mistakes, takes you to the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now the Imam needs knowledge to take you to the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But knowledge itself is not enough. Even if you have the knowledge of the universe, you could go against your knowledge. You could not act upon your knowledge. How many people know, but they don't act upon it? It's not a virtue just to know. You know what the real virtue is? We have many hadiths from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Imams of Ahlul Bayt stating, the true alim is not the one who just knows. The true alim is whose actions confirm what he believes in. That's the true alim. And that's why we hold on to the Ahlul Bayt, because we can trust them as a pure source, an infallible source. So the foundation of Imamah is isma. And I'll give you the proof from the Quran. When Allah appointed Ibrahim alayhi salam to be the Imam, قَالَ إِنِّي جَاعِلُكَ لِلنَّاسِ إِمَامًا. What did he say? وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِي, anyone from my dhurriya? Allah says, قَالَ لَا يَنَالُ عَهْدِ الْجَاهِلِينَ. No. Allah said, the jahils, the ignorance, cannot be imams? No. Allah did not talk about knowledge or ignorance. What's the one criteria Allah mentions? Dhulm. The one who commits dhulm cannot be an imam. That means an imam has to be dhulm free. That means he has to be infallible. That's the foundation of imamah from the Holy Quran. The Quran just mentions one thing, dhulm. And remember, the Quran says every sin is a dhulm. Dhulm against the nafs, against yourself. Or if it's shirk, it's dhulm against the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Inna shirka la dhulmun azim. Every sin is dhulm. So the foundation of imamah is actually infallibility.